I'm so tired, please.
We made it to Hanoi. We are so exhausted, but we have things we have to do while we're in the city. So first we are going to get some film, then we're going to do laundry. In my last video I said we were gonna do laundry at that hotel. Turned out it was actually pretty expensive, so I did not do the laundry at the hotel. And we're just gonna go to a coin laundry here and it'll probably be super cheap. So, and after that, we are going to get dinner. It has been a go day. It felt like a crazy long day, and it was. It was like 8 hours on the bike. Anyway, we just have one chaotic night in Hanoi trying to get everything done. In our last video, we were in Hanoi, so you would have seen we went to the train street and just walked around the old quarter a little bit. And that was pretty much all we did. It was just one evening there. Then we stayed the night and had to leave the next day. But if you want to see more of Hanoi, definitely go check that out. It was really fun. This looks really good.
Lauren's gonna finish her one pancake she waited 45 minutes for, and then we're going to go oil our chain for the motorcycle. And then we're gonna head 2.5 hours to Ninh Binh and then spend 2 days in Ninh Binh. Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy. I'm so excited to just like not bike for like a day.
Yeah.
It is nice. Like,
Yeah, it's
the
80
weather's
degrees
nice.
here today. Well, it's going to be anyway.
It's December 19th.
Yeah, don't come to Vietnam in the summer. It would be way too hot.
It's like amazing right now.
Hope that pancake was 5 stars.
Okay, so we just dropped our bike off.
To get the oil changed and then to have the chain tightened.
So I guess we'll see a little bit more of Hanoi.
They have all of the made in Vietnam stores where you can supposedly get Arc'teryx, North Face, all the things that are made in Vietnam just for a lot cheaper. What it actually is just a store with a lot of dupes.
How much for these?
850.
850?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Are they real?
Yeah.
Are they real?
Yeah.
It was 850.
So what? That's like 32 bucks.
32.
So you can save about $200 to $400 on an Arc'teryx jacket.
That's crazy. They're everywhere. There's so many dupe shops. This place is so cute.
Ready?
Yep. to go get some food. We are starving.
I feel like I'm dying.
This is gonna be great. Get some food, and then we can just relax. Well, it's really cool to see the mountain range coming in.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be going into it tomorrow and doing like a boat tour.
Yeah, that's awesome. I got pork with pineapple and rice.
That looks like a pretty good burger,
And
dude.
Jake got a burger.
We walked across the whole thing in what, like 10 minutes?
I mean, we stopped in like every shop.
You could walk
so.
across in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
We spent 2 hours looking in dupe shops, but...
Yeah. And also at the cutest cafe I think I've ever seen.
Had like an old Americana Havana vibe.
Yeah, it had a really cute vibe.
It gave Pirates of the Caribbean to me. I don't know.
It's like a lily pad pond. We're just like chilling.
Yeah.
I got to work a tiny bit, so that was nice. So yeah, it's been nice, and now the sun is down. It's only like 6 p.m. though.
Need a shower.
Need a shower. And we'll see what else we decide to do tonight.
Tiny elbows in there.
Wait, it was only $20 for
It was
both
only
of us.
$20 for an hour massage.
All right, what are we doing this morning?
We're gonna go kayaking, and then we're going to do a small hike.
Jake loves kids.
I like kids. I like swinging through them. Yeah. Alright, just finished our boat tour on the Trang An River. It was fantastic. Caves, mountains galore. It's amazing. I mean, that first tunnel had to be a quarter mile long. It was ridiculous. And there's just these tunnels underneath all of these mountains.
Really cool views.
Also there were temples all along the route. For being in the middle of a river, in the middle of the jungle,
Yeah.
amazing. Ooh, my $5 burger.
Do you want some hand sanitizer?
Sure. Nah, not really.
Okay. Oh wow.
It's really good.
All right. Time to go on a hike.
Come on. It wants me to go down that road.
Really?
Yeah, it does. Come on, adventure time.
Oh gosh. Okay. Are you sure, Jake? But there's water right in there.
I know. Less sketchy now. The car. That's a good sign. Oh, there's the trail right there.
Oh wow.
And up she goes. Yeah, you having fun, Lauren? You know, it's stunning.
There are 600 or some
600
odd
steps.
And I think we have to come back the same way we came.
No, they have a giant slip and slide at the top.
We have a giant slip and slide at the top.
They do.
Actually. So that's good news.
Yep.
Like, wow. This is crazy cool.
Stunning. Hey.
There might be 600, but they're like,
You're just a baby.
no.
So there's the top.
Yeah, we're almost to the top.
Right there.
Hi.
After you.
You go ahead.
Wow.
Crazy. What a cool view.
I know, right?
I'm a little sweaty.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe they counted those double steps.
Well, preferably if you can make it over there.
Wow. That is crazy.
Wow.
This is probably my favorite place we've seen so far. It's just so cool. I'm obsessed.
Yeah.
We hiked up that and it was incredible. The view is insane. Then we just got some drinks and we're just hanging out for a while. And we were just gonna leave, but then we realized we could walk these paths. I just can't get over this. Definitely recommend. So we have pho, beef tamarind with rice, I guess.
Tamarind, yeah.
And then I have like a chicken with coconut milk and rice.
Yeah, we kind of screwed up. We got too much food.
We got a lot.
10 schmeckaroonies for that. It's really good.
Got 3 plates.
Yeah, 3 plates
And
of food, a Coke,
a
and some
drink.
tea.
Yeah.
Killer, dude. Set to wait until this drip coffee finishes dripping, and I pour it into this cup of sweet condensed milk.
Ooh, that's so good. Bye, thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Bye, thank you.
Solemn goodbye to Ninh Binh. It was a good one.